ladies and gentlemen, story number 2. It is award season in political arena. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi has just collected his 27th global award in Namibia, making India count on the world stage. Opposition is also counting, but their focus is on the population of the countries that are honoring the Prime Minister, whether it is Cyprus, Trinidad and Tobago, Ghana or Namibia. Leaders in the opposition ranks are busy using the size of the nations to downsize the significance of the honors conferred, perhaps suffering from what today's generation calls FOMO, fear of missing out. The fear of missing out is actually what is causing so much of heartache today. Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal has also thrown his hat in the ring, and for the Nobel Prize no less. He thinks he deserves it for governance and administration despite what he called the persistent obstacles placed in his path by the BJP-led centre and the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi. Now the BJP is willing to nominate former Delhi CM too, but in a different category. They say he is a front runner for the Global Corruption Award. Listen in.
कदे घाना चला गया, कदे लिथोपिया, 15-16 मुल्क तो असीं ना नहीं जानते, मगनेशिया पता नहीं कित्थे आ उत्थे जाके कहंदे सब तो बड़ा सलमान इहने ले लिया। वो मुल्क की आबादी 15,000 होंदी, 15,000 तो इत्थे साडे JCB देखण खड़ा हो जांदा है, वाह JCB चली जांदी है। उत्थों पता नहीं कित्थों सलमान ले आउंदा मोदी। यार भरा मेरे जिथे 140 करोड़ रहिंदा उन्हां च तां रह ला, उत्थे रहिंदा नहीं। अजे तां बित्ती करोना जा आ गया, नहीं तो हुण धरती ते 4-5 गेड़े होर दे दिंदा है।
जैसे ही हमने दिल्ली की सरकार छोड़ी, 3 महीने नहीं हुए, 4 महीने नहीं हुए, आज दिल्ली को आम आदमी पार्टी याद आ रही है। 4 महीने के अंदर बेड़ा गर्क कर दिया बीजेपी की सरकार ने। इनके सुनने में आता है हर एमएलए ने अपनी दुकान खोल ली है, बीजेपी के हर एमएलए ने वहां पे दिल्ली के अंदर, हर मंत्री ने अपनी दुकान खोल ली है। तो उन्होंने पैसा कमाना है, उनका कोई मकसद नहीं है सुधार करने का। जितने दिन हमारी सरकार रही हमें काम नहीं करने दिया, उसके बावजूद हमने काम किया। इस पे तो मुझे लगता है गवर्नेंस के ऊपर और एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के अंदर तो मेरे को नोबेल प्राइज मिलना चाहिए कि एलजी के रहते हुए मैंने कितने सारे काम कर दिया दिल्ली के अंदर।
केजरीवाल को नोबेल पुरस्कार मिल सकता है, उनको नोबेल पुरस्कार मिल सकता है अगर उस लिस्ट में, उस कैटेगरी में करप्शन हो, इनएफिशिएंसी हो, अनार्किज्म हो, तो केजरीवाल इन सब दावेदारों के लिए नोबेल पुरस्कार ले सकते हैं। मुझे लगता है कि उन्हें अपना मानसिक संतुलन भी एक बार दिखाना चाहिए।
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 2 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Going straight to the debate, joining the debate with Charu Pragya is Suhail Seth. Dr. Piyush Joshi continues to be with us. But my first question, Ashwini Kumar Mishra, ये बताइए कि प्रधानमंत्री को would you want to congratulate him?
I think we should start Nobel Prizes in multiple other categories as well. Probably one in Jumlebaji also, one in corruption also, and let it give it
give it to for Aam Aadmi Party.
Give it to Aam Aadmi Party or Modi ji, anyone you wish to, and all those honors he got. I think as a country, nobody was able to denounce what Pakistan did during the Operation Sindoor. So I see them as just mere those fake badges on your body which doesn't add any value to the nation.
Pakistan did. 1 second. What are you saying, Ashwin?
How many countries stand with us? How many countries stand your dear friend Trump? 21 times. 21 times Mr. Trump had said that Papa मैंने war रुकवा दी. Seriously, and you are not able to counter even once.
Are you done?
So I can never be done with the amount of damage you have done to our foreign policy. But coming back to Kejriwal, I think he should definitely get lot of Nobel prizes. Probably one for liquor scam, also one for administration. What is demanding his Mullah clinic, we can see, and now we can see BJP government also. It's pretty much running the same.
Charu Pragya.
And without his really annoying interruptions, please.
You can be annoyed.
First of all, when you talk about Operation Sindoor and you continue to glorify Pakistan, I have a huge problem, and I can go on and on about it, because 120 countries stood with India. You were blinded to it because you support Pakistan over India. You support their narrative over ours. You support their army over ours. But I'll rest it there. Let's talk about केजरीवाल जी and his demand for a Nobel Prize. देखो उनको कुछ तो देना चाहिए. Nobel Prize नहीं उनको मिल सकता तो Oscar दे देना चाहिए. He'll be brilliant at that because I have seen his entire politics play out. And Navika ji, I'll be in the first row applauding him when he gets that Oscar. Brilliant drama every single day. An original drama at that, and you know, you have to compliment him. And what does he want the drama to be about? He has managed to run Delhi into the ground repeatedly, whatever way you look at it. पानी की बात करें, दिल्ली जल बोर्ड has gone from making profit to a loss-making department with losses logged into thousands of crores. You talk about public transport, what has he done to the city? A million promises, none delivered.
Charu Pragya, we debated all of that during the Delhi elections. Right now, people are waiting. No. People are waiting for you to deliver on the promises. So
and we're already doing that.
अभी आपका हनीमून पीरियड चल रहा है. Maybe those questions will be posed to you. But Piyush Joshi, really, Nobel Prize for Arvind Kejriwal ji and Bhagwant Mann को इतनी दिक्कत क्यों है? If the Prime Minister is getting awards, is it not an honor for India?
नाविका जी, किसी को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. It was an attempt at satire. It was a vyang, which is very common in the Indian political scenario. Nevertheless, I personally feel it deserves a Nobel Prize. Let me tell you why. You remember the time when Mr. Kejriwal had to protest at the LG's residence just to get the file of Mohalla clinics passed, you know. When has
yes,
someone...
I remember the time when he was in the waiting room, everybody slept there for 24 hours. वो visuals भी याद है.
Navika ji, it was a no-brainer. You know, to strengthen the primary health care, you need certain units which are going to cater to the OPD services, you know, so that the workload on the tertiary level care units is going to be reduced.
जहाँ पर third parties को include किया.
He didn't interrupt you, Charu. Let's be fair.
I did not interrupt. You'll get your turn. You know, you'll get your turn more than I get mine. You know, so just allow me to complete. So I think Arvind Kejriwal ji has done a lot for the people of Delhi. People of Delhi are realizing it when the demolition derby of Bharatiya Janata Party is in full swing, when their juggies are being broken, when the BJP is taking U-turns after U-turns on the vehicle policies and the fuel policies. So you know, when has someone began with an idea of doorstep delivery? अरे मिश्रा जी यार शांति रख लो प्रभु.
आप चोर मौसेरे भाई मिलकर के.
मिश्रा जी, I did not interrupt now.
Come on, stop bragging about your failures.
आप तो बहुत जीत गए.
Sir.
आप दिल्ली में बहुत जीत गए.
Still, when you go to Delhi and you see those flyovers,
नहीं, you are talking about Joshi's party's failure as if the Congress party came out in flying colors. Well, Suhail Seth has been watching this and sarcastically smiling, since sarcasm is the order of the day. Suhail Seth, what do you think about what we call पंजाबी में कहते हैं ना, पेट में दर्द हो जाती है किसी और का कुछ अच्छा हो जाए, तो ये पेट में दर्द क्यों है? The Prime Minister has got awards for the country and him as a leader.
See, Bhagwant Mann is a very special kind of human being, and I mean this with great respect. He's a stand-up comic in his past life. His happy hours begin at 10 when he's actually happy for the world, 10 a.m. He has no issues with anyone. You know, often he's been seen as totally sober when he was in Parliament. He has all the qualities of great leadership, and we must commend that leadership. He has run Punjab with an iron fist. It depends on how you spell fist. Arvind Kejriwal, to my mind, and I totally agree with that gentleman from Aam Aadmi Party, he has done yeoman work. You know, to sleep outside the LG's residence and get about another 100 people to sleep alongside you in order that you get Mohalla clinics going is a great sacrifice that you make for governance. But I just want to tell this gentleman, and obviously the Aam Aadmi Party, which, by the way, educationally and knowledge-wise is far superior to any other political party, is that till now, the Academy of Sciences only has 6 categories: physics, chemistry, economics, medicine, and physiology. Unless they introduce a 7th category, which is meant for U-turning, hypocrisy, coughing, sneezing, squealing, whining. I don't know if they'll introduce that category, but they should. As far as I'm concerned, when Arvind Kejriwal became chief minister, everyone had great hope. I handled Sheila Dikshit's campaign, I may add, for free. I created the word Bhagidari. So I don't need a lecture from the Congress or anyone on what Sheila Dikshit was. She was outstanding. Everyone thought Mr. Kejriwal and his team would be outstanding. But Mr. Kejriwal comes from a different stock. He finds a problem in every solution. If you tell Mr. Kejriwal the sky is blue, he will say, no, it's dark green, even if it's blue, because he must have his views. I think the Nobel Committee must, to my mind, be petitioned by the people of Delhi, who resoundingly voted Mr. Kejriwal's opposition to power. They must petition the Nobel Prize Committee to say that no one else other than Arvind Kejriwal deserves it. Why? He has kept every promise. He said he will never get into politics. He got into politics. He said he will never stay in fancy homes. He stayed in fancy homes. He said he will never drive luxurious cars. He drove luxurious cars. He will always take care of his own health. He went to great resorts in Bangalore. So what he has done is he has created an aspiration for the common people of India to think of the biggest, even if they have small desires. So in many ways, Mr. Kejriwal should be given the Nobel Prize for helping India think big. He is India's original dream salesman, and for that we must pay tribute. And I doff my hat. And none of this is sarcasm. This is genuine praise and a tribute to Arvind Kejriwal.
Let me explain why I think Kejriwal ji has done phenomenal work, and henceforth Aam Aadmi Party. When did we last discuss school education and healthcare, as an electoral issue? All the time, either some rhetoric or some emotional campaign is being going on. When did we discuss, the school education and healthcare? When did we discuss free water supply? When did we discuss that a human has to be treated as a human? He needs a water supply. And
quick, 30 seconds. I'm completely out of time.
So, Mr. Seth, thank you.
That's a
I think you have put it in the best possible words for all our viewers. I loved it. You see my smile? I agree with you. दे देते हैं उनको Nobel Prize भी दे देते हैं. Plus, he likes the policy of 1+1 free. He ran it on alcohol.
I don't know. I really don't know who in India would grudge the honor that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is bringing to the country. 27 awards is something that is a record, and if the Prime Minister of India gets these awards, I think every Indian should feel proud. If they don't, what's really wrong with them? Pet mein dard? That's the question people are asking. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night, be safe, and I'll be back tomorrow with the same show, the News Hour at 9.
The News Hour at 9.